Every day we hear success stories about all kind of people. Mostly these people are CEOs, business owners or sports person. We put likes on social media and wonder how they did it. In today's book, 14 Steps to Legendary Success, authored by A.S. Pandit, we can discuss about what are the major steps that will help to achieve success. Take an example of two guys, Joe and Teddy. Both are studying in same school. Joe was good at studies and Teddy most interested in cricket. After graduation, Joe got a good job and Teddy became a good cricket player. I asked a question to both of them. Are you success in life? Both answered yes. Why? Let's see a quote by Annie Sweeney. Define success on your own terms. Achieve it by your own rules and build a life you are proud to live. Being successful has a simple meaning that achieving your goals. These goals can be anything: money, fame, car, house, etc. In the perspective of author, he defines success means achieving your desired personal goals, enabling your loved one to lead a better life and fulfillment. It is perfectly okay if you have different perspective, but make sure that you are being true to yourself. Let's start the first step. We can learn some methods that is very important to learn success. Number 1 is train yourself to have a growth mindset. Let's look an example. Hari is a good content creator and storyteller. He makes videos for kids and adults. Artificial intelligence growing day by day. Hari daily studying new things and applying new techniques. It is all about his open mindset to grow and evolve in the fast running world. Believe in your efforts and celebrate every step forward. Learn new skill and prevent yourself becoming stagnant. If you fail, learn from your experience and move on. Second method is unleash your true potential. When Nitin started working, he exhausted by his competition and constant pressure. He shied away from all challenges he faced. Soon he realized that people who started with him climbing up the ladder and he will still stuck at the bottom. Remember, our brain is a source of unimaginable power and energy. While everyone has unique personality traits, leaders have few specific ones that are common across individuals. Imbibe these traits and train yourself to follow them. Number 1 is prepare yourself for a fierce competition. Number 2, don't shy away from challenges and risks. Number 3, trust your gut, be positive and make priorities are to solve the problem. The third method is improve your willpower. Willpower is like small thin rods made up of steel. It will hold big bridges without fail. The most successful people in this world have one thing common. They have a high level of perseverance and willpower. By practice, we can also achieve that level of willpower. To increase willpower, start to make small goals. One goal at a time is very easy to implement. Example, set a goal to wake up in the morning half an hour before you always wake up. Follow this rule for 7 days. Then add another goal. Then follow previous with new one. After some day, you feel confidence. Procrastination is the enemy of willpower. Overdoing the small things, it will add on your habit loop and program your subconscious mind. Remember, you never go to a party before brushing your teeth. After completing small goals, you add big goals and execute them with willpower. Method 4 is how to strengthen your mental power. Our mind is a single most important factor that determines the quality of our life. Successfully controlled it becomes our best ally. But if you allowed to run wild, it steals our inner peace. Challenges and pressure increase our mental power, but negative thinking decreases our efficiency. For better clarity, think positively. How it is possible to think positive? Here comes the psychological hack: gratitude. Be grateful to what we have. Write down 5 things daily in your journal you are grateful for. It will program your subconscious mind and give more mental clarity and growth. If you need success, be empathetic. Be feeling the situations which others are going through. This is how empathy works. But we cannot control others' feelings. We always control our own feelings only. Always keep on check on your emotions. It's okay to feel sad, depressed, but it is not okay to dwell on them. Release these feelings in most appropriate and healthy ways. Exercise daily, read self-help books, travel and meet new people and explore the nature. Finally, success is simple. We complicated it unnecessarily. Comparing ourselves with others is the most important problem we are facing in the real world. Before going to the next video, here is a small exercise for you. Write down any 3 things in the comment that you feel define success for you. Thanks for watching U-FITZ.